welcome. We've been involved in the conference for the last few days, and this is Mystics and Scientists 40. And I'd like to introduce some of the people who've been attending, and perhaps you'd like to say a few things about why you're here and whether you've enjoyed your time. So who'd like to start?
Happy to.
Okay, great, thank you.
Hi. So my name's Natasha. Natasha Smith, and I work as a life coach and trainer, and I also work in the environmental sector. And one of the reasons that I wanted to come was to look for some other perspectives on environmental issues.
Yeah.
So there seems to be quite a closed-minded approach among kind of policy and government and that kind of areas. So I thought bringing a totally different kind of dimension into it might help the thinking, and it definitely has. Like Merlin's presentation, a lot of the science and the non-scientific presentations really help to kind of make you think differently, open your mind a bit more. And yeah, it's been really kind of invaluable. The networking as well, so meeting other people that you can follow up with after the conference has been great.
Thank you very much. Would like to say something, like?
Yes, hi, I'm
Okay.
Jade. I'm doing an MSc in transpersonal psychology, so I wanted to come along today to kind of look at lots of different perspectives very similarly for my thesis, which is on the out-of-body state. So sometimes it can appear a little bit wafty or woo-woo, and I really wanted to have the science and the academic and the kind of scholar approach to that, so we can kind of bring potentially the two worlds together, because it's often associated more with mysticism. And I think that's what I really loved about the conference, is you've got the science, the academia, the scholarship of the things, and then you've got kind of also the intuition, the knowing, and it's bringing those two worlds together fits really nicely for me, and that's what I loved about this event.
That's smashing. Thanks, Jade.
Should we just go along the
Yes,
line?
why not, Charlotte?
I'm
Thank
Charlotte
you.
Lorimer. I am in my third year at Durham University doing History of Art and English, and I was lucky enough to share what I've been working on over the last few months, which is on Gustav Klimt and my work on art, science and spirituality, and bringing those aspects of his work together. So I was very happy to be able to join and to experience all the other talks as well. And I think the word that really sums it up for me is just inspirational, in the sense that to inspire means to breathe in. And breathing in has been a big theme throughout lots of the talks. We had Jude talking about the big breath rather than the big bang. And we had the sort of how breathing and spirit and soul and anima and psyche all have the kind of same root. And it's just been, as they've said already, like this amazing synthesis of so many different disciplines all coming together to inspire lots of people.
And you did an absolutely wonderful talk, so we really
Thank you.
appreciate you. Thank you. Thanks, Phil. Hey.
And hi, I'm Jennifer. I was attracted to the conference because it's such an interdisciplinary network. The label scientific and medical network wouldn't have sold it to me up front, because I've been labeled as more the airy-fairy, mystical inclined type. But I did my undergrad in psychology 10 years ago, and none of this was at my university. This was not acceptable in the curriculum. And this has been a real bumper year in terms of integration, because finally I found a course up in Leeds that's doing a master's in interdisciplinary psychology, and basically marrying all these things together. And Jade is doing a similar course. So it just seems that in the landscape right now, integration is everywhere, and there's just so much potential. And in coming to this conference seemed like one more of those potentials to collaborate in.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
My name's Merlin, and I'm a biologist and ecologist, and I was here giving one of the talks on fungal networks and the way that plants can use these networks to communicate between themselves. And it's been great to be here. One of the things I think I like the most is the wealth of experience, and all these people coming from so many different perspectives, and all in one room, which is quite rare. So all the dialogues and trialogues and quadrilogues and optalogue, everything. But a lot of conversations that I don't feel would happen in other places, so that's been a real thrill.
Thank you. Well, can I thank everybody? You've really helped make Mystics and Scientists 40, a really special time, and we really look forward to doing many more of these. So Thank you again, and thanks for sharing your experiences.
Thank you.